Dietitians of the Ninth Disabilities Table. My name is Mr. Antolot, and welcome to day 4 of Autismas. Now, if you watched yesterday's video, which some of you might have, I don't know, you would know that there's a surprise. Wait, that was my phone. Okay, probably should put that on silent. There's a special guest going to be in today's video, but it's going to be a bit different for today because we're going to try, me and the special guest are going to try a bunch of gross candy cane flavors. Anyway, but the special guest is my older sister. She should be here any minute, so I'm a little nervous, not going to lie. She's never been on camera, so she's really excited to be in today's video, but she's 23 years old and probably has no filter. But here we go. I'm gonna cut the video off here, and then I'll be back in a second with my older sister. Alright, so this is my sister, really.
Hi, YouTube!
Hi. She's a little awkward. No offense. Okay, so you ready for trying the gross candy canes?
I guess.
Okay. Alright, first off, your favorite, pickle.
Yay.
She actually hasn't tried these, even though she's the biggest fan of pickles I know.
I love pickles, it's true.
Yeah.
I drink the pickle juice out of the jar.
She does. That was
BAM!
Bit the box.
Open up a can of whoop butt.
Like if you didn't clean, I know what you like. You know how I like clean compound you do.
Right back.
Alright. There.
I'm really excited about this one.
Yeah. Alright. Let's unravel this. How do you unravel this? There's no ends.
This is why I told you you should probably try to do this before we started recording so that we were ready.
Probably. Not bad.
Alright, I got it.
You got yours?
No.
Start of yours?
Start of mine, yeah.
Gotcha. Almost got mine. Probably.
Alright, I got enough. Oh, and it broke, so that's kind of perfect. I can just put this piece on there.
Alright. Hang on, I haven't got mine yet. I'm having so much trouble. Thank you. I don't have nails. Can we just break it like the wrapper? Oh yeah. Probably. Alright, so that's mine.
Ta-da!
Thank you.
Turdy! Okay.
Alright, 3. Wait, let me put mine down.
I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna mine. Tastes like. Kind of tastes like grass. I mean,
Pretty good.
really? It kind of tastes like a.
I'll take the rest of this.
Okay. She likes it apparently. It kind of tastes like a grassy taste to me. It's kind of good, I guess. Alright. I should have grabbed the plate. Alright, I'll lay mine right there. I might save it for later, I don't know. Next, you ready?
No.
Okay. Next up, bacon. I say it like that.
Like.
3. How do you do that? Calm down there. Look, here's yours.
Thanks, fam.
Hey, I hear this one tastes kind of savory. Oh, hey, that comes up in there. Probably. I hear this tastes kind of savory based on the research I've done. I think that's kind of my own.
Bobby, it's bacon. You want some? No.
She knows better than us. A dog is smarter than us, apparently.
Seriously?
Yeah, brother, you are hard to open.
Ugh.
Got it. Got mine. Okay, 3.
Hang on.
Oh, sorry. Oh, look at the center of that. Yeah, like
That's where all the bacony goodness is.
probably.
Okay.
3.
Wait.
No. I'm just gonna like mine because I have sensitive teeth.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Oh. That's not.
Nope.
That is. Oh gosh.
Gross!
Oh, it literally tastes like ground chuck.
It tastes like raw beef.
Literally.
Which doesn't really make any sense because bacon's from a pig, but it tastes like raw beef.
Yeah, it tastes like.
That's disgusting.
Okay. The next one is the worst.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. I hear the smell is the worst. I hear the smell's the worst. Oh, my breath smells awful now. Next up, rotisserie chicken. My mom is taking a photo of us. Rotisserie chicken.
Or a video.
One of the two.
God, that was disgusting.
This next one, bacon.
What kind was that one?
Bacon.
Wow!
What else have you guys tried?
Pickle.
Pickle.
Pickle was good.
Yeah, really. Actually. Not as good as...
The bacon tasted like ground beef. Raw ground beef.
Yeah.
And what's this one?
Rotisserie chicken.
Because we're disgusting human beings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming from the guy who shoved corn up his nose as a kid? Yeah.
And
I
the
just said that
eyeball
again.
in your ear.
No, let's not go into that already.
He swallowed rocks.
Well, I explained the rabbit in a video already. Rabbit eye in the video. Stuffed rabbit eye in the video.
Most people say kick rocks. Tyler decided to eat rocks.
Oh, it's already broken, I think. Oop, yep, it broke. That smells the worst thing.
Ready?
I don't really smell it, but... Hang on. Oh, wow!
I haven't opened mine yet.
Wow! That smells like...
It's like
poop.
Owen Wilson. Wow.
Just smell that. Oh my gosh.
Ew!
Yeah, that literally so fragrant.
Oh God, I don't want to eat this.
Just lick it then.
Which one's this one again?
Rotisserie
Rotisserie
chicken,
chicken.
and
It
it
smells-
smells like one.
Smells so bad. It's like the ranch dressing of sodas, only in candy cane. Alright,
Oh,
you can just lick
God.
it. You can just lick it.
No,
Just cover your nose.
we're going balls deep or not at all.
Don't say that on camera.
I'm not recording anymore.
Yeah. Anyway, just lick it, okay?
3.
2, 1.
That's not terrible.
If you like chicken. It literally tastes like chicken. Like the skin of chicken.
It does. It tastes like the chicken skin.
It's like chicken. Oh gosh, it literally tastes like chicken nuggets from like, what restaurant does it remind you of? Like
Wendy's.
McDonald's? Yeah, Wendy's. I was to say the same thing.
Wendy's chicken nuggets.
It's
Look at all those chickens.
I knew you were going to say that. Okay. Yep, done that way.
I mean,
Ugh.
it's not as bad as bacon.
Well, yeah.
It's not something I would eat
True, but
voluntarily, but it's not as bad as bacon.
ugh, it smells the worst thing.
Yeah.
At least compared to ranch dressing soda, which I've tried. This one I'm excited for actually. Can they see me? Yeah, they can. Mac and cheese candy canes. I love mac and cheese. You got it over there?
Yes! Ow!
I love mac and cheese, so hopefully these are good. I like them. Okay. There's such a mess behind this.
It's fine.
Apparently these are so popular on the website,
Ow.
you can only order one at a time. One quantity at a time.
Really?
Yeah, they were so popular on the Archie McPhee website. Not sponsored at all. It looked like mac and cheese, only...
Not sponsored, but if you want to.
No. Just saying.
That's how you make money.
Yeah, I do this for the fun. For the heck of it. For the fun. For the fun of it.
Ratatouille! Oh.
Krakatoa. Ow, that hurt. That smell. It smells like cheese? It smells like...
It smells like toe cheese.
I'm gonna cut that out, okay.
Like moldy toe jam.
Don't need to hear that.
Well, it does.
I can't get mine open. There.
This one just stinks.
Right? Very, like, disintegration. Disintegratable, whatever word.
Ew! Smell it.
I'm trying to get it out.
Take a look right there.
That literally smells like cheese.
I told you it smells like toe jam.
Like, you know what? How do you know what tongue smells like? Why did I?
Toe jam!
You're disgusting.
Toe jam!
Stop! Your hair on your foot.
So?
That goldfish.
I'm sure you have worse things on yours.
You try. Anyway, ready?
No.
Oh, this is gonna be so gross. I feel
3.
like. 2.
1.
Consume. You don't like it? You need your coffee? You want your coffee? Where is it? I kind of like it actually. Here's your coffee. Don't overreact. I'm kidding.
That was a proper reaction. That was not an overreaction.
I kind of like them.
God, you're disgusting.
I like mac and cheese. Okay. I got like
And that was the first and last taste test I will ever do on YouTube again.
Sorry, I have to put you through that much torture.
At least not gross ones anymore. If you want to have me taste test some cookies, I'm down.
Well, they have Oreo candy canes, but we like those.
What?
They have Oreo candy canes. Don't worry, you can get one after this. Alright, so... Sorry I had to put you through that much torture.
It's fine.
Don't worry. If I ever convince you to be on the next video, it will be something pleasant, I'm sure. No taste test, I promise. Promise. Ow. Anyway. Okay, so that was day 4 of Autismus. Yes, that's the series I'm calling this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed my older sister getting the guts to be on YouTube.
And almost puking my guts up.
Yeah, I was about to say. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like you're dropping the bass. Wow, wow.
Bye!
And give the subscribe button the Autismity smack. That's what I call it.
Bye!
I'll see you for the next video.
Bye!